by 7 minus box is equals to 1 by 7. ठीक है, तो हम इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे करते? 5 में से कितना माइनस होगा? डिनोमिनेटर 7 है, यहाँ भी 7 है, तो यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर कितना आएगा? 7. 5 में से कितना माइनस करते हैं तो 1 आता है. इट इज ऑलवेज 4. So this answer would be very simple. This solution would be very simple if you have this kind of question. But here we don't have this kind of question. We have different denominator here. ठीक है, we have different denominator here which will make us confused. तो सबसे पहला प्रोसेस आप हमेशा याद रखिए. First you check that whether you have same denominator or not. Whether you have same denominator or not. But in this question you can see this is the denominator 8, this is the denominator 4. तो सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन को क्या करेंगे? We will convert the question in such a way that you will have the same denominator in all the places. ठीक है? Now here denominator is 8, here the denominator is 4. It means the LCM would be 8 only. First you will take the LCM of these two numbers. 4 and 8 का LCM कितना आएगा? 8. So you will take the LCM of 4 and 8 which will give you 8. अब इस 1/4 को हम 8 बनाएंगे. 1/4 को 8 कैसे बनाएंगे? Can you tell me what to multiply to make it 8? Tell me faster.
1, 2.
Now look at this.
4 and 2.
Yes, you know that we have already done in the previous questions that you can multiply with any number on top and bottom to make any of the denominators. ठीक है, it will never affect your question क्योंकि आप यहाँ पर टॉप और बॉटम दोनों में सेम टाइप से सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो. तो इन दैट सिचुएशन योर आंसर विल नॉट चेंज. ठीक है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. Now number has converted into 2 by 8. अब देखो, अब फिर से बॉक्स को रिप्लेस करते हैं. बॉक्स माइनस 5/8 is equal to 1/4 की जगह क्या प्लेस कर देंगे? 2/8. Now you see the question and tell me, because here is 8, here is 8, here will be also 8. Now tell me ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिससे हम 5 माइनस करेंगे तो 2 आएगा? Tell me which number can be?
7. Ma'am, 7.
7. Absolutely. 7 में से 5 जाएगा तो बचेगा 2 और 8 8 8. ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर we don't subtract, so denominator will be common. Now tell me, have you understood or not?
No, ma'am.
I am explaining you. Listen here. The first process will be that you have to make the same denominator because denominators are different. So by taking different denominator we cannot do this question. ठीक है, सबसे पहले we will make the denominator same. और make the denominator same के लिए you can multiply by any number. अभी देखो एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं, you will understand it very properly. See, I am writing a question. Suppose, हाँ, suppose सुनो पुष्पा, खाया तुमने? Now it's we have the box minus 1/5 is equal to 1/2. ठीक है, देखो ये क्वेश्चन आया हमारे पास. Now what we will do बेटा? First we will make the denominator same. ठीक है, और डिनोमिनेटर सेम करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? We will take the LCM always. अभी हमने अभी चैप्टर पढ़ा ना LCM वाला, तो LCM of 2 and 5 will give you 10. LCM of 2 and 5 will give you here 10. 2 और 5 का LCM कितना आ जाएगा? 10. अब हम क्या करेंगे? इसको 10 बनाएंगे, दोनों नंबर्स को 10 बनाएंगे. ठीक है, बिकॉज डिनोमिनेटर आपने जो LCM प्रोसेस किया उसी के थ्रू. ठीक है, नाउ सी 1/5 को 10 कैसे बनाया जाएगा? वी विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, so it will give you 2 by 10. now 1/2 को 10 कैसे बनाएंगे? you will multiply 5, it will give you 5 by 10. tell me this process understood or not? this one जो कि कॉर्नर में लिखी हुई है. yes or no? tell me faster.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
use
ma'am.
your
Yes,
chat
ma'am.
box. Everybody has to use chat box. Everybody has to use chat box, please. Yes, write down yes, क्योंकि yes or no से समझ में आ जाएगा who has not understood. Yes, Astha says yes, Toyaj says yes. Only Astha and Toyaj. What about rest others? Write it down, yes or no. Anika says no. Okay, fine. Ayushi says yes. Rishit says yes. Soumya says no. Rishika says no. Okay. Rishit says okay. Ayushman says yes. Okay. बेटा सबसे पहला चीज तो ये कि डू यू नो एलसीएम मेथड में क्या करते हैं? पहले तो मुझे ये बताओ, व्हाट डू वी डू इन एलसीएम मेथड? आई एम रिमूविंग दिस। सबसे पहले इसको हटा देते हैं। अगर हमारे पास दो नंबर है, एक है 2/3 और एक है हमारे पास 5/6, हमको इन दोनों को ऐड करना है। इट मीन्स यू हैव नॉट डन एनी क्वेश्चन आई बिलीव। सी इफ यू हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन, सबसे पहला काम हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वी नीड टू टेक आउट द एलसीएम ऑफ दीज टू। व्हाई वी टेक आउट एलसीएम? बिकॉज denominator should be same, then only you can add numerators. ठीक है, जब तक denominator same नहीं होता we can not add numerator. ठीक है, so for that particular thing we take out LCM of denominator for making it common. ठीक है, so LCM of 3 and 6. LCM आ गया 6, ठीक है। उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एलसीएम आ गया 6, हम लोग क्या करते हैं यहाँ पे 2/3 एंड 5/6। नाउ नीचे डिवाइड ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई का प्रोसेस किया था ना हम लोगों ने, तो 3 से ऐसे किस नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि 2 आएगा? 2 आएगा ना। when we will multiply 3 with 2 you will get the same number 6. तो अगर आपको 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है 2 से, तो 2 का ऊपर भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा, नीचे भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा। इट विल गिव यू 4/6। ठीक है, आपको याद होगा इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन पढ़ा है बेटा हम लोगों ने। इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन में यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई एनी नंबर। वी वांट हियर 6, तो 6 के लिए हमको 2 अगर हम नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो हमें ऊपर भी करना पड़ेगा। सेम सिचुएशन गोज हियर ऑल्सो। यहाँ पर 6 है, पहले से 6 लिखा है, तो वी नीड नॉट टू मल्टीप्लाई एनीथिंग। इट कैन बी मल्टीप्लाई इधर बाय 1 बट द नंबर विल बिकम सेम। नाउ सी 4/6 5/6 नंबर आ गया, 4/6 5/6. Now we have got the same denominator which was given in LCM. ठीक है, absolutely तो yes. So now look at here, जो मैंने क्वेश्चन अभी आपको बताया उस वाले क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा था, देखो box -1/5 is equal to 1/2. This was the question. सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, we will take out the LCM of denominator because denominator is not common. यहाँ पर 5 दिया, यहाँ पर 2 दिया, यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं दिया है, तो पहले हम एलसीएम निकालेंगे 2 और 5 का। तो एलसीएम ऑफ 2 and 5 comes 10 because both are prime numbers, so 2 5s are 10 will come. LCM will be coming here 10. Now you have to multiply, you have to make this two numbers as a denominator of 10. Now you think of this one, what to multiply to make it 10? बताओ मुझे, खुद से बताओ। You need 10, आपको 10 चाहिए
मैम 2।
आपको दोनों, हाँ आपको दोनों ही केसेस में 10 चाहिए डिनोमिनेटर में, तो you have to multiply here 2, तो 2 को ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। Now here
मैम 5।
ठीक है। नाउ जब आपने 2 से 5 का मल्टीप्लाई किया मिला 10, 1 से 5 का मल्टीप्लाई करोगे मिलेगा 5। नाउ यहाँ पर 10 आ गया, 1 से 2 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2। बताओ, अब बताइए ये वाला स्टेप समझ में आया कॉर्नर वाला या नहीं?
यस मैम।
और नो, जिन्होंने नो लिखा था प्लीज रिप्लाई इन द चैट बॉक्स। हु हैज रिटन नो प्लीज रिप्लाई इन द चैट बॉक्स, यस अंडरस्टूड और नॉट। इफ अंडरस्टूड दिस टाइम राइट इट डाउन yes, and if not understood then too please write it down no. I will get it again, I will explain it again. Okay, now I have got it yes from all the 4 students who have written no earlier. So now अब देखो ये अब बन गया। अब इस क्वेश्चन को रिप्लेस कर दो अपने वाले क्वेश्चन से। बॉक्स पहले से था बॉक्स, तो हम बॉक्स को कुछ नहीं करेंगे। -1/5 क्या बन चुका है, अब 2/10 बन चुका है, लिख दिया। इक्वल टू 1/2 क्या बन चुका है, अब 5/10 बन चुका है। नाउ 10 यहाँ पर भी डिनोमिनेटर आएगा 10। नाउ यू टेल मी व्हाट शुड बी द नंबर।
मैम 7।
मैम 7।
नाउ इट विल बिकम इजी। किस नंबर से 2 माइनस करेंगे कि 5 आएगा, दैट इज ओनली 7। 7 - 2 विल गिव यू हियर 5। खत्म। अब
मैम वी विल नॉट एड एनीथिंग एट, मैम वी विल नॉट एड एनीथिंग एट अप।
ना 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 ना, वो तो क्वेश्चन था ना बेटा, दैट वाज क्वेश्चन ओनली। So yes, tell me now, who has understood this question? Fatapat se raise your hand. Sorry, not raise your hand. Write it down yes in the chat box. Ishika, sorry. Write it down in the chat box yes. If understood, write down yes. Very good. Now I am getting the yes from everybody. Now I am giving you one more question related to it. Let's see how many of you are able to do that. Okay? The similar question I am giving you. एकदम same question देते हैं, ठीक है? Now the question is of different pattern. Pattern means the numbers will only be changed. So here I am giving you C1 1 upon 2 minus box is equal to 1 by 6. Now see, denominator is 2, denominator is 6. Now first you make the same denominator and write down your answer in the chat box to me.
Ma'am, please see. I have sent the answer.
Good.
Ma'am, voice is not coming.
I am not speaking anything, but I am waiting for you people. Okay. So now I am telling you this question. Just give me 1 minute.
Ma'am, please wait for some time. I'm writing the answer.
Okay, okay, waiting. Now may I do it? I believe
Yes, ma'am.
everybody has done it. Because it will be
Yes,
too much
ma'am.
of time. No, beta. Yes. The first process, the LCM of 2 and 6 will give you only 6. Okay? LCM of 2 and 6 will give you only 6. Now when you will have 6 LCM, you need to make it 6 only. So here will be multiplied by 3. 3 upon 6 will come. Here it is already 6. So no need not to multiply anything. It will give you 1 by 6 only. Okay? So now let us put the value. 1 by 2 की जगह पर आ जाएगा कितना? 3 by 6. Now minus box 6, 1 by 6. ठीक है? Now what to multiply with this
Ma'am,
one?
2.
This is only 2. 2 by 6. So either you write 2 by 6 as an answer, or you write 1 by 3 as an answer after making it simplified. Both are correct. If you write only 2 by 6, that is also absolutely correct. Now match your answer and tell me whether it is correct or not. Check it, beta, and tell me whether you have got this answer or not. Reply, please. Whose answers are correct, write it down, yes, so that I will understand your answers were correct. Thank you. Thank you very much. Good. There are many students who have written the answer yes. It means they have got the correct answer only. Now let us move further. That is our comet part. Okay, we'll do the comet part now. Now I'll request everyone, wherever your comet is kept, please bring it there. Please bring your comet. And if you have comet, you just directly write it down in the comet itself. But if you don't have comet, with you, just do write in your fair copy directly. Okay, by writing the heading comet work. Okay, if you have comet, write down the portion directly in the comet itself. Comet work. Okay. Now let us discuss first misconception. Okay, I am discussing now misconception. Now, according to misconception, let me tell you one thing here. There is a very big misconception between everybody that if you have this kind of box, suppose, okay, and it is divided into this kind of parts, okay, and here one part is shaded. Now, can you tell me, please, how much portion is shaded? Will you write it down, please, in the chat box? What do you think? According to you, what is the fraction part which is shaded here? Please mention in the chat box. Chat box, please. Oh, I will. Please mention answer in the chat box only. What do you think? What fraction of portion is colored here or shaded here? I have got the answer from Ayushi. Very good answer, Ayushi. Only Ayushi has given this answer. Okay, Toyaj has also said the same thing which Ayushi said. What about rest of the students? What do you think? What is the fractional part which is shaded here? What do you think? Okay, Anusha is also correct. Ishika also says correct. Very good. 4 students have replied. What about rest students? I don't feel other students are replying. Beta, please do it faster. Wrong या right? जो भी लिखो, but लिखो. Anika correct. सपोज आपकी क्लास में एक को 4 चॉकलेट टीचर ने दी, ठीक है, और एक को केवल 2 ही चॉकलेट टीचर ने दी, और उसके बाद आपसे बोला कि क्या ये फेयर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है? व्हाट विल यू से? नो मैम, इट इज नॉट फेयर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. हाउ कैन यू गिव 4 चॉकलेट टू अनदर पर्सन एंड यू कैन गिव मी ओनली 2 चॉकलेट? ठीक है, because it is not the equal distribution, and fraction comes only when you have equal distribution of anything. The parts should always be in equal. Okay, the parts should always be equal. But इसमें देखो, not equal, not equal, not equal, not equal. It means the portion is already not divided into equal. So जब तक portion divide नहीं है, it will not be 1/4. Nobody can tell the answer this is 1/4. 1/4 is absolutely wrong. This is only the misconception which you should understand, that till the parts are not divided equally, you cannot call it equally divided, and you cannot make it fraction. ठीक है, this was the main misconception which I have discussed now. Now question number 1 says, show that 28/64 and 7/16 pair of fraction is equivalent. Now these two fractions are given and it is asking, are they equivalent or not? You have to show this. ठीक है, are they equivalent or not? You have to show this. So for this we have 2 simple process. Either you do cross multiplication and check it whether they are coming equal or not. Second process, you just make it simplified and check it whether they are giving the same values or not. So 28/64. Can you tell me which table both the number comes? Tell me which table both the number comes.
Ma'am, 4.
Rest of the students. Oh yes, you have given the answer. I'm talking about other students also.
Ma'am,
4.
7.
7 के टेबल में 64 नहीं आता बेटा.
Ma'am, 63 comes in
7 के
7.
टेबल में 64 नहीं आता. You have 4 as a number. हाँ, that is why the 64 will not come. So 7 के टेबल में नहीं आता, 4 के टेबल में आता. तो 4 7 जा 28 and 4 16 जा 64. So if you will cut it, it will give you 7/16. And other number was already 7/16, which will not cut. Why it will not cut? Because 7 is also a prime number and 16 is an even number. So they will not be the common factor with them. Okay? They will not have any common.
ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Are you here?
Ma'am is disconnected.
Nika, press the.
Am I audible, beta? Am I audible or not, students? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry, I was disconnected, I think. So I was telling you that this was the solution part of first question. Now, if you have understood, write it down yes in the chat box so that we will move ahead the next question.
Mama, I am done with another method.
If
But
understood, it's okay. It's okay, beta. There can be different method for all the questions. So if it is coming the same answer, it is correct. Now, question number 2 says you have to make it simplify. What you have to make it simplify? It is 1 whole 3 by 5. Then it's 2 whole 4 by 5. Then we have -3 and then we have -2 upon 5. इस क्वेश्चन को अगर आप गौर से देखोगे बेटा, so you have the numbers. All the numbers are in form of fraction. This is fraction, this is fraction, this is fraction, but it is not written any denominator. So if this number is not having any denominator, so जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका कौन होता है? Tell me.
Ma'am, 0.
One.
Ma'am, 1.
One
No,
होता है.
ma'am, 1. Ma'am, 1. Sorry.
जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका one होता है. उसका 0 नहीं होता. Yes.
No, ma'am,
So
1.
if
1.
it's
Sorry.
1, now LCM of 5, 5, 1 and 5. Every time you have 5, 5 only. So the LCM would be 5. The LCM would be 5. Now you will do the same process, नीचे divide, ऊपर multiply, as we are doing in all the questions. So here 5 divide, sorry, I have not done it in the mixed fraction. Sorry. Just a minute. First, we will convert them into improper fraction, which we forgot to do. It will give you 8 by 5. It will give you 14 upon 5. It will give you -3 upon 1. And this is 2 by 5. Now we will take out LCM, which will give you 5. Now, niche divide. So 5 divided by 5, it will give you 1. 1 8 the 8. Plus 5 divided by 5, it will give you 1. 1 14 the 14 only. Minus 5 divided by 1, it will give you 5. 5 3s are 15. Now minus 5 divided by 5, it will give you 1. And 1 2s are 2. Okay? Now when you will solve it, 14 and 8, it will give you 22. And -15 minus 2 will be added together, will give you -17. And it will give you 5 only. Now 22 में से 17 जाएगा, it will give you 5. 5 upon 5 will give you here 1 whole as the answer. Now see the question thoroughly and let me know that whether you have understood or not. If understood, write it down answer in the chat box. Write it down yes in the chat box. If understood, write down yes in the chat box so that I can understand you people have got it.
Ma'am, can you explain me that 22 minus 17 by 5?
बेटा 22 में से 17 जाता है तो 5 आता है, ये कैसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करके बताओ हम आपको. Tell me. 22 में से 17.
I was thinking that you made that minus 17 that.
ना बेटा 22 में से 17 साइड में माइनस करके देख लो, it will give you 5 only. ठीक है? Okay. Now we will move ahead with the next question, which is given here as 8 whole 5 by 6. इस क्वेश्चन को फिनिश कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? We'll be able to finish it. And today I will be sharing today or tomorrow. I don't have any class in your class, no? Today I don't have any. हाँ. Question number 2 का B.
I'm on Thursday and first period.
Yes. It's -3 whole 3 by 8 plus 2 whole 7 upon 12. सबसे पहले let us make it normal numbers. 8 6 are 48, 48 and 5, it will give you 53 upon 6 minus 27 upon 8 plus 31 upon 12. Correct. Huh. Now look at here. This will be the number. Now, how many of you have studied DMAS law in the previous class? DMAS.
Yes, sir, I
That
have
is
studied.
okay. BODMAS or DMAS you have studied. Now, according
Ma'am,
to
DMAS.
DMAS, yes, according to DMAS rule, you know that addition, subtraction, division, this first is division, then multiplication, then addition, and at the last comes subtraction. But अगर आप इस क्वेश्चन में देखो तो subtraction आ गया सबसे बीच में, subtraction आ गया सबसे बीच में, तो सबसे पहला काम क्या करना चाहिए हमको? subtraction को सबसे लास्ट में करना चाहिए. तो 53/6 को यहीं रहने दीजिए, प्लस 31/12 को यहीं रहने दीजिए, और दिस -27/8 को सबसे लास्ट में लेके चले जाओ. -27/8. Now you solve it by the process as you do it. Now let us have the LCM of 6, 12 and 8. 6, 12 and 8. We will have the LCM of it. It will give you 2 3 ja 6. It will give you 2 6 ja 12. It will give you 2 4 ja 8. It will give you 3 will become same. It will give you 2 3 ja 6. It will give you 2 2 ja 4. Again, it will be giving you 2 1s are 2, 3 will remain same, 3 will remain same. And it will give you last time 3 1s are 3, 1 1 1. Okay? Now, when you will have the LCM, it will give you 24. LCM is coming as 24. Ishika, you need to say something?
No, ma'am. I raised hand
Sir, you
as you
want to say
asked for DMS rule.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, beta. So now we have got the LCM as 24. Now नीचे divide ऊपर multiply का same process we will use it. Now LCM 24 will be divided by 6 will give you 4 जा. So 53 will be multiplied with 4. नीचे divide ऊपर multiply का concept which is again taught only. Now it is again divided 24 divided by 12 it will give you 2. So 31 into 2. Now minus again 24 divided by 8 it will give you 3. So 27 into 3. Okay. Now simply we will multiply. So it will give you here 12 carry here 1 4 20 21. Now plus when you will multiply it will give you here 62. Then minus it will give you here 81 upon 24. Okay. Now let us add and see what answer we are getting in this question. So when you will solve it, will give you 4, यहाँ पे 7, यहाँ पे 2. 274 minus 81 upon 24. And when you will solve it, it will give you 4 में से 1 गया 3 बचा. 7 में से 8 जाएगा नहीं, so it will give you here 27. 27 में से 17 में से 8 जाएगा बचेगा 9. 193 upon 24. So either you write 194 upon 24, or if you need to convert it into mixed one, you can also convert. In that situation, it will give you 8 whole 1 upon 24, because 24 8 is 192 होता है. 24 8 is 192 होता है. ठीक है? So your answer would be 8 whole 1 upon 24 in this case. Now, please note it down. In our next class, that will be on Wednesday, we'll complete almost the whole Comet only.
Ma'am, Thursday.
Yes, Thursday. I believe question number 3, you can do it easily. Question number 3, you can do it easily. Question number 3 is only you have to use pictorial representation and you have to add 3 by 8, 1 by 8 and 5 by 8 and you have to give the answer. Just try these questions and homework part. ठीक है? करके देखिएगा, नहीं बनेगा तो we will discuss it. ठीक है? So I have written this question. If you need to note it down, please note it down this question. If you are noting, note it down, and those who have noted, they can leave. Those who have noted, they can leave, and those who are still noting, they can note it down.
Jen ma'am.
Jai Hind and thank you very very much.
Jai.
I am writing homework, beta. I am writing homework in your group. Yes, Jai Hind everybody.
Jai Hind, ma'am.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Anika, beta, stop recording.